Hey, Mom, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, you know what? I was just about to hold a family meeting in here too, so you might as well.
Great. So, hypothetically, if someone was to put a fork in the microwave, would it explode?
Yeah, I don't know, probably.
Hypothetically, how long would it take to explode?
I don't know, like a couple minutes maybe? I'm not a scientist. Did you put a fork in the microwave?
Hypothetically,
Oh my god, how long has it been in there?
how long have we been talking?
Oh my god. Oh shit.
April Fools!
It's May 5th.
Yeah, 'cause you'd be expecting it on April 1st. So,
Who put a fork in the microwave?
hypothetically, it did explode.
I don't think you know what hypothetically means.